How to make trade on TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade or have a demo account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this chart option. Tap on it. Here, you'll be able to measure different of the things that are available here. So you can select the company here. Now here on the right hand side, you can see this filter option. Tap on it. Here, you must tap on this paper trading option that will pop up in the middle. Tap on it. Now it will be connected with the paper trading and you can trade accordingly. So here you have been enabled. Now if you go to charts again, you'll be able to sell or buy them. Now here on the top, you can tap on sell. You can choose the amount or units that you want to sell and tap on sell. Here, as you can see, this mark has been set. Now you can undo it or buy it and work accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.